Hi there, welcome to the video on confirming your workshop attendance in MyGCC. First of all, open your preferred browser. As of late, MyGCC works best with either Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Google Chrome does not seem to be working well with it, so I would use one of those browsers. Go to our website, glendale.edu, and MyGCC is going to be at the very top. This is going to be all of your student portal, including email, Canvas, but we want the login for MyGCC. This is also where you register for classes. You'll be asked to put in your login information. I've already done that. And here's what I see as a student. Workshops will always be under Other Services, so I will go ahead and click that. There's a Workshops panel over here on the side. If this is missing, go ahead and click these two bars that are on the left side as well, and that will open the menu for workshops, which is the third option from the top of the screen. Library workshops are listed first. And you'll see not only the workshops you signed up for, but future and available workshops. So here's the workshop schedule. So my incoming would be here, but the ones that are completed are also listed under as completed under the status. So whenever you're looking to make sure that you completed a workshop and you got credit, you can always see that listed in your library workshops online registration. Okay, hope that helps. Bye-bye, and let the library know if you have any questions.